good, YouTube? It's your boy J Baby, Mr. Major Man, Mr. 504 Jeezy from the Big Easy to welcome y'all back to the show. And today, got an unboxing for y'all. But before I get into it, I'd like y'all to hit that like button, hit that notification bell if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. Also follow me on all my other social media platforms, which will be linked in the description below. And I got a bit of a rant before I go on it. So, about a week ago, I placed an order on Pacsun. For those that are not familiar, Pacsun, you know, local retailer, sells Fear God, sells Yeezys from time to time. Well, in the beginning, Adidas Yeezy. Placed the order from them, and if anybody's been noticing, they've been starting to dabble more into the new era side of things. So I have had a plethora of horror stories from player group chats regarding their practices when it comes to shipping, and me myself have been experiencing myself when it comes to buying hats from Pacsun itself. If you're familiar with the Fear God drop, a lot of people were pissed off with them because they've been known to ship all their hats in bags. I mean, like bags. They basically take the hat in one of these and put it in one of these types of bags and ship it out to you, and like playing horror stories of people hats becoming crushed, mangled, mashed, pretty much just disfigured, deformed, all that stuff. And so like Pacsun is kind of one of the worst places when it comes to getting your hat shipped. So fast forward, I placed the order, and what I did was, like I said, I've ordered from Pacsun before. They put it in the bag, and luckily my stuff has never came smashed, but I wasn't taking no chances this time, so I ordered a big purchase because they also had some items on there, plus they were on sale. So I just went and took the liberties of doing it, but I'm just going to show you some of the items. So this is actually, they actually had to separate ship some of them, so I felt like that was going to be a possibility as well, but they only shipped one item, which was this one in this little bag, and it was not the hat. So I did order this. Let me see I guess they didn't. Oh, the receipt's inside. I'm not even gonna worry about that. This is the Pacsun. There we go. As y'all can see, you got the painting on the back right there. This is a size large. Came from Pacsun. Y'all can see it right there. It has a lovely image right there of a Picasso. And as y'all can see right here on the front, does have that label on the side right there. Really love this one. This one actually was something I was actually looking forward to because I did want this shirt because it went along with a nice couple of outfits that I wanted to do. And this will actually be a part of that lookbook video that I'm working on. This is probably going to be more featured toward the fall side of things since we are getting into that season. And let me go ahead and get into this one right here. As y'all can see, this is the box that they shipped my order in. As y'all can see, look at the diameters. See that? So, shouldn't be no big deal if you're shipping a hat in there. But the main thing came when they not only put the hat in here, but they also put this in here as well, which is a pair of pants that was literally folded like this, and that was the only way you could get it inside the box. So before I go into the hat, let me show you the pants. And these are some dope pants, I will not lie. Actually happy to have these. Open this up, and this is actually an argyle print corduroy pants, as y'all can see right there. Very nice, very stretchy, not exactly a jogger type, but as y'all can see right there. Right, standard ends, does have the drawstring on there. I got this in a medium, which definitely looks good. Doesn't look like I'm gonna have a problem with that. Usually if I order a medium, I usually come up short on my inseams of the leg portion, but these look actually fine in my personal opinion. Really love how this came out. Definitely, like I said, going to be doing that lookbook with this Picasso shirt and this pair of pants right here. Like I said, love the corduroy on here. Very, very nice. Feels nice to the touch. Like I said, I'm going to get a very good outfit out of this one once I do that. And now to the part that I was so disheartened by. If y'all could take a look at this right here, this is actually an image of how the hat came. As y'all can see, it is mangled, disfigured, disformed in the bag, and once I took it out, it was no better. But luckily for me, I've been doing this a long time when it comes to restoring hats, putting them back into the right frame of shape. And like I said, being in this I'm in this been 20 years now. I better have a good idea of how to fix these type of things. And with that being said, this is the hat that I acquired from Pacsun. Bam.
Impressive. Very nice.
As y'all can see, and I did have to do a little treatment on it. I'm still treating it to a degree. So as y'all can see, it's on the stand right here. As y'all can see, we do have the chrome two-tone LA Dodgers done up in a chrome and black brim. As y'all can see right there, has the black LA Dodgers logo right there. That's the current logo, and as y'all can see right there, we do have a New Era flag on the side. We have the MLB logo on the back, and you can see the tag from Pacsun is on here. And the reason that I got this hat, because there are not a lot of hats with this other than the Born and Raised that dropped, I think it was 2 weeks ago it dropped. It is the MLB All-Star Game 2022 that was in Los Angeles, as y'all can see right there. Not too many hats have this patch right there, so I was definitely happy to have this one to add into the collection to go along with all the other ones that I have at this point. I think I pretty much have every Dodgers patch. I'm probably only missing a few Jackie Robinson Centennial patches, but other than that, I think I'm pretty good on my Dodger patch collection. Like I said, really wanted this one, and like I could take it off of this. This was actually an essential piece right here. This is actually a New Era product right here. This is something that they don't have online or in sale. You actually have to go to a retailer and get these for display purposes, and I did have one. But the coup de grace on this right here was the pink UV, which they did not advertise online. But as y'all can see right there, do have the pink undervisor, black guts, and all the tagging and labeling on there. And like I said, from me to go from this on here to now having this right here, like I said, putting the work in, all you really need is an iron, a steamer, and patience, a towel, so you can stuff it on the inside, because I've been doing this for a long time. And thank God I did have these tools on there. But the main thing about this is always going to be time. Time when you're fixing these type of problems is going to be your friend, because at the end of the day, like I said, it's been sitting in that box for probably days. So once it got shipped to me, like it was mandatory you had to take it out the box. Don't never leave your hats in your box when it's cramped up like that, because the main thing is going to be the buckram on the back. And I have hats that do have buckrams eventually give over time, but since this is a newer hat, when it heats up, you can actually kind of fix it a little more to get back into the shape that it needs to be. But yeah, like I said, other than the experience, happy to have this hat. Like I said, man, this was definitely a need on the list, and I'm happy it's in my possession now, because like I said, this one was just one of those unicorns that just kept eluding me, and I just definitely needed this one in my personal collection. But let me know in the comment section what y'all think below, and as always, I do appreciate each and every last one of y'all. So stay true, stay fly, stay blessed. I will have another review coming up for y'all in the next, probably today. I might drop another one, but as always, I'm JC Baby, and I'm out. You did.